Hi there. I have a Mr. Heater Big Maxx 50,000 BTU, and it started shutting off all of a sudden. So what I did was I called Mr. Heater and they told me to take this cover off. Use a 5/16 socket. There's 4 bolts, just pops right off. And they told me to take the cover off, and there's a plastic hose that goes to the pressure switch. There's a pressure switch right here. This plastic hose will go all the way to the combustion fan chamber. And they said, check to see if this is clogged. So all you have to do here, it's an easy fix. You just pull this rubber hose off. You could actually take the whole thing off if you want, make sure it's completely clean. Because if it's clogged whatsoever, a cocoon or anything, cobwebs in there, the fan will shut off. This whole furnace will just shut off and the light will flash 3 times. So I just use a little pin. I actually keep it in here. So if this happens again, I have this. So what I do is just put that in through this little hole here. Make sure you kind of scrape it all out. Make sure it's unclogged. You put that hose back on. Just pushes on like that, and that should be good. Works perfect now. I had to do this a number of times, usually once a year, but it's an easy fix. It saves you quite a bit of money on calling a furnace repairman.